Hey, ladies and gentlemen, a quick session on the founder's message. That is me, Motlokomedi Frikkels van Rensburg. I'm from Arties. I'm 53 years young, happily married. I'm really happily married, and a portion of that is I'm going to share that with you tonight. I've got three daughters, one son-in-law, three grandsons, and I'm just like you. I want a better life. That's all I want, a better life. The book of Solomon, he says, after everything, all he wants is a good life. So this is part of me contributing. So I'm going to start off, but hold on to your seats. You don't need to be in control. I want you to look at or think about taking back power in your life. So tonight, I want to speak about one word, and that word is control. I'm not talking about physically controlling somebody else or controlling you. I'm talking about something much more subtle, because sometimes control is simply having no other choice. If you cannot leave your job because you desperately need the income, you don't have a complete choice. If one unexpected expense can destroy your month, you don't have complete financial choice. If somebody else determines what your time is worth, you don't have complete choice. If you desperately want to change your circumstances, but financially you simply cannot, this means something else is controlling your options. Tonight, I want to tell you, if you don't have to surrender your future to that forever. Take back your power. Taking back your power doesn't mean quitting your job, please. It doesn't mean fighting and becoming reckless. It means quietly starting to build options. Because the person with options have a choice. And the person with a choice has freedom. And that is where Ananta X is going to kind of enter the conversation. But before you do that, before you think I'm only going to talk about Ananta X and the business and the money, you are mistaken. Finances is one of the life components. There's a lot of them. Financially, spiritually, emotionally, socially, personal, physical, goals, dreams, destiny, family, and more. And I'm talking about small actions daily to take back control of your life. A lot of people are feeling alone, scared, and even frightened. And if you feel like this, you're not alone. But you've got two options. You can either join them, or you can start taking back control of your life and ultimately your freedom. But the key and the answer is small, daily, consistent actions. And I'm going to give you some examples. And this is basically what I started doing in my life. So when it comes to financially, I honestly really recommend Ananta X because it is safe and it is asset based. Spiritually, start with one verse per day, just one. Pick one. Start with one verse a day. Emotionally, do a basic self-talk every morning and every night. I taught my children this. Whenever I saw them in the mornings and I saw them at the night, I made them say that sentence every day, in every way. I'm getting better and better. Socially, connect to one friend or family daily. I'm not saying pitch Ananta X. No, just connect. Personally, read one page per day. Everybody goes to the toilet at least once a day. And while you're sitting on the loo, you can read. I've done it many times, but please, not comic books. Something a little with a little bit more oomph. If it's biography, if it's something on personal development, something on building, whatever. Maybe you want to study something. I don't know. One page. Physically, 3 fruit or veg per day. Don't do 500 push-ups and, try and run the... No. Start. Say, before I go to bed tonight, I have to have had 3. If it's 3 apples, wonderful. If it's 2 apples and a pisang, wonderful. Goals and dreams. With small things. Put up at least 5 pictures. Something you want to have, do, or become. I don't know. Your destiny. You have to have a to be. in the next 10 or 20 years? In 10 or 20 years, I want to be doiki, 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 doiki. I don't know. A better person, a better this, I don't know. Family, tell them you love them every single day. Every day. And then Ananta X has got a lot of this built into the program. So here's the radical truth. If you do not start taking back control, you will allow something or somebody else to quietly force their control on you and use you to build their dreams and goals, either good or bad. You don't need R1,000,000. You don't need 1,000. You don't even need to become a business builder, but you need to start with yourself. When it comes to Ananta X, become a member, use it, look at it, protect yourself, accumulate, learn through the academy, and start strengthening your own foundation. Let's talk about now that's taking back a little bit. Maybe you decide of, going for the introduce for. Now you are working towards having value from your membership covered in gold. That gives a little piece of power back. And perhaps you decide, I want to do this. Get 5, trailblazer, learn the system, help your 5 develop, scale, and build towards diamond. Now you're not simply hoping your circumstances will change anymore. You're actively building options for yourself. That's what real power is. Power isn't standing on a stage and having a fancy title or controlling other people. When I meet people, I don't, walk up and introduce myself. Hey, I am the founder. No. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means nothing. But anyway, sorry, it's just me. Real power is controlling more of your own choices. Power to say, I have options. The power to say, I have another income stream I'm building. The power to say, I'm creating something for my family. The power to say, my entire future does not depend on my job, my paycheck, one customer, or one opportunity. That's power, but there is a price. I need to be very clear about this. Please do not misunderstand me. Ananta X cannot take control of your life for you. We provide benefits, the system, the canopy, the presentation, the growth through 5 steps, 10 skills, leadership. We provide the ecosystem, but you have to drive. You have to show up to learn, to start talking, use the systems, the roadmap, follow up, help, and stay consistent, because nobody gives you control over your future. You have to take responsibility for it. So tonight, I want you to ask yourself, what controls too much of your life today? Is it money, debt, your job, fear, circumstances, past, comfort zone? I don't know. Or simply this lie from the pits of hell that says, this is where I am. Our family, where I stay, how I grew up. This is okay. It is not. Because perhaps the biggest thing controlling you isn't outside of you. Perhaps it's just a decision that you haven't made yet. I'm saying take it back. Don't wait until you're too desperate. Don't wait until your job disappears. Don't wait until circumstances forces you to move. I would recommend start building. Start small. Build a base, create options, keep growing, and slowly, quietly, consistently take back the power in your life. Not power over other people, power over your choices, your direction, and what you want to do with your life. And ultimately, more power over your future. Now, Ananta X isn't promising to give you control. Ananta X gives you another opportunity, another vehicle through which you can start building it by saving, protecting yourself, and growing. So I'm asking you to build your options, build your base, and build your future. And I'm going to close as I always do. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ananta X. Welcome home.